boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Dasha here. I believe that's her name, how I pronounce it. Anyway, it's the first time here in Going Guitar, so I thought she deserves a spot here with the song called Austin here. Great song. So we're gonna look at that with the capo set on here on the fifth fret. So with that, we have the easiest chords possible. We also get the higher notes we want for the melody and the strumming there. So capo on fifth, that's great. Let's take a look at the song here with the chords. So it's the famous four here: E minor, C, G, and D. So we're gonna look at the E minor first. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. All right, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. G, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and then finally we have the D, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right, so let's take a look first at this melody. That's how the song starts, and yeah, it goes in the background here and there throughout the song. So let's take a look at this notes here, chord by chord, starting here with E minor. So you're gonna play this part. Okay, so what you need to hold here, you can actually hold the chord if you want to, but you have to just the second fret D string, that is what you need. And you're gonna play the open E string in the bass, then the high E, open B, and second D. It goes pretty fast, so you're gonna play 4 rounds of this one, and that's a pattern for all the other chords as well. So 4 rounds of that. Okay, so in tempo. 4 times like that. Then you switch to the next chord, the C in this case, and you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. 4 rounds, okay? So you're gonna play third on A, first on B, open G, and second D. So 4 times in tempo. Okay, so the next part will be the G part, and then what to do here, the best scenario for you will be to just grab the 3rd fret and make put a bar there with your index finger, and then you add the 4th fret on the G string. So it looks like this, almost like a G bar chord. We don't have to go into that, but anyway, this is what you need. That's the best for you. And you're gonna play this part. So that will be 3rd fret on the bass, E string, and then 3rd fret on the E string, the high E string, 3rd B. So all these 3 notes you bar so far, and then comes the 4th fret on the G string. That is 1 round, so 4 rounds of that as well in tempo. It goes like this. And then we have the final grip here for D. You can hold just 2nd fret on G string and 3rd on the B string. You're gonna play this part. So that will be open D string, 3rd B, 2nd G, and open D again. So you both start and end on open D. So 4 rounds in tempo. Alright, so there you have the chord progression and the melody. I'm gonna take you through 1 round, so it goes like this. So on. All right, so there you have the melody. You can start with that, you can end with that, you can play it throughout the song wherever you wish, but we also have the strumming pattern we're gonna lean on too. So let's take a look at that. Of course, it follows the same chord progression, E minor, C, G, and D, and one strumming round, if you grab the E minor, will be down, down, up, down. And that's what I think suits the best for this song here. So like this. Okay, so down, down, up, down. And it goes pretty fast. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds as well, for strumming as the melody, and then you have to hold the same tempo there. So it will be something like this. And so on. All right, so that is pretty much how you handle Dasha's Austin song here. So nice song there, give it a try. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support me here on Goran Guitar. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? So thank you for all that, guys, and until next time, play tuned.